Red Innovators Anti-Vehicle Crime is an application to control the vehicle crime up to 85%. This application working with the help of a GPS receiver. GPS receiver will be placed in front of the vehicle anywhere that will get a communication from the satellite directly. And the application that's installed inside the computer will support with a map, and it will process with the details of the application. This is the application Red Innovators Anti-Vehicle Crime. This application can sense the speed of the vehicle after receiving from the GPS receiver, and after that it will check with the speed limit of the location. If it is above the speed limit, the application will make it as a fine or warning, and the vehicle can be supported with a log. That means from the previous days where all the vehicle traveled with and all the details can be collected from the application. From here it is, it's a log of the vehicle. It will be saved and it will be played like this. Here the log of the vehicle is all the ways this vehicle had moved through. Like this, it can be viewed as a log view. This can be used for a single vehicle or a multiple location. This is a highway, and in this place the speed limit and warnings we had got here. It's offense city limit and its warnings and all the things are mentioned here. If the speed limit of the vehicle is above the limit of the road, then and there it will be noted as a offense, and warnings and offense will be saved inside the application and it can be viewed later. Application has three types of vehicle mode. One is private vehicle, then contract carriage, then another one is emergency vehicle. Private vehicle and contract carriage vehicle can't activate the emergency mode, but an emergency vehicle can activate the emergency mode, and it will result the vehicle pointer into a warning point, so that policeman or any other traffic controlling officer can check out with the application very easily and find out where the emergency vehicle is coming from, and the traffic police controller can remove the traffic and make the road clear for the vehicle to travel through. And this application had an option called add crime option. Except emergency vehicles, both private and contract carriage vehicles can be added with add crime option. If we are updating with an add crime, then and there the vehicle point color will be changing into red color. Here we are placing a red color, so add crime option. Here placing add crime, so the vehicle pointer will be black, and then under the policeman can find out the vehicle very easily where it is coming through or where it is passing through. There will be a crime record. We can check it out the crime records as per the details we are entering here like this. And speed of the vehicles can be controlled only through fine and other warnings. If we are manually affecting on the speed of the vehicle, it may result in some accidents. This application is 100% free of accidents, as because this application didn't control, or it will never affect any of the criterias of the automobile section of the vehicle.